In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write ordinal numbers in Excel, particularly focusing on how to display fifth in a professional and correct manner, making your documents look significantly more polished. Excel, as you might know, is an incredibly powerful tool for data analysis and presentation, but it also has a vast range of formatting tools that you might not be fully aware of. Today, we're going to dive into one specific aspect of formatting, using superscripts to write ordinal numbers. First things first, we need an example to work on. Imagine you have an Excel file open right now, perhaps a list of dates, rankings, or any other set of data where ordinal numbers might come into play. Our goal is to alter the formatting of these numbers so that they correctly reflect their ordinal representation, like changing 5 inches to fifth with the F formatted as a superscript to give it that polished look. The process is surprisingly straightforward. Start by highlighting the cell or text where you want to apply the superscript format. For instance, let's say we've got the number 5 and we want to transform it into fifth. The first hack you can use is a quick shortcut on your keyboard. By pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F, Excel will pop up the font dialog box, which gives you access to a wide range of formatting options, including the ability to apply superscript formatting. However, there's another method if shortcuts aren't your thing, or if you prefer using the Excel interface to its fullest. This method involves navigating to the Home tab located on the Excel ribbon. Once here, focus on the font section. You might notice a small icon at the bottom right corner of this section. It's often overlooked but incredibly useful. Clicking on this icon will once again bring up the font dialog box. Inside the font dialog box, you're looking for the superscript option. It's usually pretty easy to find. Just make sure you're on the font tab within the box. Checking the superscript option will apply the formatting to your selected text or number. After you've checked the box, simply click OK to confirm your changes. And voila, that's all there is to it. Your 5 inches should now be a properly formatted fifth, with the F sitting neatly above the baseline of the number, giving your document a more refined appearance. This simple change can make a significant difference in how professional your work looks, whether you're presenting data, creating a report, or even organizing a list. There are a couple of things worth noting about using superscript in Excel. Firstly, always remember that applying this format will affect the way Excel interprets your data. For most text and presentation purposes, this isn't an issue, but it's something to keep in mind if you're doing complex calculations or data analysis. Secondly, creativity with Excel doesn't stop here. Excel's formatting options are extensive and can cater to most, if not all, of your data presentation needs, from changing font styles and colors to applying conditions that automatically format your data based on specific criteria. In summary, Excel is not just about numbers and formulas. It's also a powerful tool for presenting your data in a visually appealing manner. Learning small tricks like using superscripts to format ordinal numbers can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your work, making your data not only informative, but also pleasing to the eye. Remember, the key to mastering Excel lies in exploring its extensive range of features and understanding when and how to use them effectively. Today's lesson on formatting ordinal numbers is just one example of how a small change can make a big difference. Keep experimenting with different formatting options to discover the best ways to present your Excel projects. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to practice what you've learned today, and you'll be on your way to creating more polished and professional looking Excel documents in no time.